Does it seem like your invoices are always late, you forget to send your follow-ups, and your whole business is just running from memory? I know the feeling, I've been there too, but what if I told you you could get all of that out of your head in the next 10 minutes and automate those business tasks for good? Today, I'm showing you how a simple ClickUp automation can save you brain power and stop you from forgetting important business tasks forever. Not only that, as a little bonus, I'm going to show you how you can use that to follow up with past clients, because we know past clients are an easier sell than finding new clients every single month. And if you don't know me yet, hi, I'm Yvi from AskYvi.com, and I am a business efficiency consultant and leadership coach who has been working with ClickUp since 2018. I've helped countless business owners transform their chaotic processes into streamlined systems. Now let me show you something that might be familiar. Chaotic tasks lists. We all start there. And no matter if it is physical in a book or even digital in ClickUp, we often start with a total chaos. Trying to remember everything, missing deadlines, and feeling that constant nagging feeling of, what did I forget? What's missing? I forgot something, didn't I? Here's that brain-saving secret I'm about to show you. A simple ClickUp automation system for recurring tasks. How to set this up in under 10 minutes and why this works better than any to-do list you've tried. So let's dive in. And as you can see in here, really simple. Pay your estimated taxes. I have a Finance Friday where I go in and potentially upload bank statements. I put in my bills, I do my budgeting, all kinds of stuff. We have emailed website tasks for checking the 404s. And this is why I wanted to start out with this, because it's so simple that when you have these recurring tasks in your business, simply set them up in this biz routine list and set them to recur. Set them to reoccur every week, every month, every quarter, annually, however you need them to recur in here. Now, here's a little pro tip. Yes, Yvi, we all know reoccurring tasks. Cool, awesome. If you already have them, yes, you're already one step ahead of a lot of other people. The most common question I get for something as simple as implementing business routines is, but what if I need it every second Thursday and every third Wednesday? You can simply, rather than doing the every week repeat, set one task for the every Tuesday and then set another task for every second Thursday. So rather than trying to build an automation for a weird recurring channel in one task, simply use multiple tasks. Working with my coaching clients and working in our group programs, the thing that we have realized over and over again is a simple automation like this might be like, oh yeah, who needs this? We are all good. The brain power you are saving yourself. You are not fighting against the headwind anymore. It is there. It is not nagging here and telling you, did you do this? Did you do this? Hi, have you done this? Hey, by the way, don't forget about it. You are not having the 2 a.m. wake up call. It is right here. It is out of sight and comes back into mind when the due date tells you you need to do it. And here's the bonus I wanted to share with you. And another use case for a similar automation is following up with past clients, right? We want to reach out to them. We want to stay in contact with them. But how often do we forget, again, to reach out to them in regular intervals? Now, using our CRM setup that you can see in another video right up here, what we do is when a client is offboarded and finished and we've done the work, that creates an automation that creates a task in our CS task list. That brings in their email, that brings in their name, and we have an automation running in here that then automatically, when we followed up with them and we mark the task in here as complete, creates another task 90 days later to pop back up again. So what that automation is from our CRM, once a client was won and we did the job and it's complete, it creates a task in our CS tasks to follow up, set a due date, transfer the email into the fields. And just like our admin tasks recur on a regular basis, it recurs right in here and reminds me to follow up with past clients because we love our clients and life happens and I often forget to just follow up with them. With that, now if you're ready to take your automations to the next level, I've got a playlist for you right here on how to automate your processes using ClickUp. If you're ready to stop micromanaging your business and having everything in your head, that playlist is your next power move. And let me know in the comments, what's the first task you'll automate using this setup? Remember, your brain is meant for growing your business, not remembering all of these single tasks. See you in the next video.